Hello, my wonderful YouTube subscribers. I have a great announcement. I have just released a brand new course on concurrency in Swift. It's called Async and Await and Actors, and it is now available on Udemy for purchase. You can take a look at the course content. We are going to start by understanding what exactly is concurrent programming. Then immediately we're just going to dive into Async and Await by creating a very simple dates project. Next up, we're going to understand MVVM design pattern and recreate the same project using MVVM design pattern and SwiftUI. Next, you're going to learn about how you can expose your classic legacy callback functions as async and await functions using the continuation API in iOS 15. After that, it's a project time, and we will implement a complete news app with the async and await feature, main actors, as well as the continuation features. After this, we're going to learn about structured concurrency in Swift language. This will include async let in a loop, canceling tasks, group tasks, unstructured tasks, and even detached tasks. Next, we're going to jump into a project time, meaning random images and random codes coming from concurrent, async let, and even task groups. And you're going to learn about how you can quickly download the random images and codes by using progressive downloads and task groups in Async and Await SwiftUI. Next, we're going to go ahead and learn about Async Sequence and how Async Sequence help you get the item that you want while you're iterating through it. So instead of waiting for all of the items to be downloaded and the async request to be finished, you're going to just get the item as it is completed. Next up, we're going to learn about different problems that you can face when you are performing concurrent programming and what kind of solutions are available. And finally, you're going to learn about actors and how actors protect you when you are writing concurrent code against locks and deadlocks, and also the race conditions. So if you are ready, let's go ahead and get started. I've added a coupon code right there in the YouTube description, so go ahead and click on that. That coupon code will expire in a couple of days, so don't wait too long. Thank you.